In this video we introduce the new list control which can be added to the UX component. The list control is an extremely powerful and versatile new control that is an essential part of many mobile applications, but is also extremely useful in web applications. The list control, as its name implies, is used for displaying lists of data. So we have here a simple UX component, and it's just got a first name and last name control on it. So we go now and we add the new list over there, and we give the list control an ID. So we'll just call this list 1, and then we can open up the list builder. So the list builder right now is opened up by clicking on the smart field for list properties. And the list itself can be populated from multiple different types of data sources, but the simplest is just a static data source. So let's just choose static data, and then we can type in any data that we want. The convention is that the first row of that you type in are the field names for the columns. So let's go ahead now and just pick some sample data. So we've just inserted 3 rows of data with first name, last name, city and state. If we click advanced options over here, we can see that we can actually specify implied field types for the data, but we don't need to worry about that right now. So let's just go ahead then and click OK. Then move on to the next pane here. We can see here are the columns from our data. We can go and set properties over there. We can define certain list properties, which we'll discuss later on. And then finally we can go to the list layout. So we'll just choose those columns and then go ahead and click OK, and then go over to working preview, and we can see there that we have our list. Now the list is going to return a value, so we can specify which column in the list is the return field. So let's go there now and basically specify that last name is the return field. So if we go now back to working preview, we can see now that if we were to go and set a default value, say of Berman for this control, that when the list is displayed, that the row for Berman is selected. So this is just an introduction here to the list control. There are an extensive set of features and functions that we'll explore in subsequent videos. Thanks very much for watching.